How do you use math in your job?
I use math in a number of different places. One of the places that I use math in is for menu planning. And is pasta, for instance. If we have a pasta dinner, we'd say it takes about 4 ounces of pasta to feed one person per day. So if we have a pasta dinner for 8 people, we're going to need 8 times 4, or 32 ounces of pasta, or 2 pounds of pasta. If we've got a trip and we need to calculate the fuel for the trip, for the stoves, we've got a little formula that goes about a quarter bottle for 4 people per day. So if we have 30 people and we have 7 days, we can do the math and figure out pretty much how much fuel we need. So here's what students have to do on this trip. We call it the coast trip. Let's say that you need to hike from Rialto Beach up here to the Norwegian Monument, okay, along the coast, all right? And you can walk along the coast, but there's some places, see all these red things that say caution? There's some places where if the tide's too high, you can't pass the point or the headland. Let's take, for instance, Cape Johnson here says caution 4 feet. What that means is whenever the tide is above 4 feet, you can't pass that headland, okay? It's 3.5 miles to get to Johnson Point. How long is it going to take us to walk there? So what time do we start? And that's kind of a cool little math problem because there's a lot of variables involved. It's really basic math, but it's funny how when you apply math, even basic math, it gets a little harder in terms of how you use it to figure out a real world problem. So that's another way that we use math in the outdoor program, and we actually have our students use it.